Hello, my fellow sketcher. Yesterday we finished the third of our project, Urban Sketching Big Adventure, Bite by Bite. And we are continue our journey on the streets of our imaginary city. In my case, it is Tricksterberg. And our task for today, because today is weekends, I suggested you to go for a walk and to make some photos of different elements of your own city. I will hide it. And it could be anything. If you have not done it yet, just keep in mind that for today's successful practice, you need to do it. Go for a walk and make several photos, a lot of photos to depict those city objects which attract your attention. Balcony or bench or maybe bus stop or tram or wires, maybe street cafe or some beautiful house. You can choose. We are collecting our own photo references, and the more you do, the easier it will be for you to have your own suggestions what to draw. And after that, when you will return home, you have to choose maybe the most appealing for you city object. And I suggest you to draw as you can, without any clues, without any guidelines, as you can. It is maybe for some of you, it is the first attempt to do it using your own materials. And I would like to show you how I was solving this, no, not a problem, but this assignment. And I live in Serbia, in Belgrade, and I like this city very much. And I like the architecture here. It is a lot of beautiful houses. A lot of different solutions in architecture, different styles. I like this brutalism here, and I hope that in summer I will draw a lot of sketches, urban sketches outside on the street. So now we are preparing. And by the way, that's a big show, 30 episodes at least I'm planning to do, and I have collected everything here in this playlist. So if you are new here, you can go to this playlist and find a lot of different city objects which we are drawing together with you. So just find what you like to draw and start sketching without any, waiting. And I encourage you not to draw from your own reference, not only to show architecture, but try to, maybe it is hard. I suppose that it is hard, but try to think from this angle. Try to add your impression from your today's walk. Maybe try to add a tiny part of your soul. And after today's practice, I will put my sketch into my free Telegram channel, where I create a drawing community. It is free, and the link is in the description, and you will be able to see my sketch in details. And of course, I would like to see your sketches for today's assignment, so you can apply them in the comments to today's post and write a couple of words about your today's experience. And maybe you'd like to tell some stories about your today's walk and how you were chasing for something appealing for you. And in future, I'm going to have such assignment more often, to go for a walk on the streets and trying to draw different parts of our own cities where we live. And I will show you my choice. Really, I had a lot of them. You know, there was several suggestions. This is the central city. It is called the street of Краля. Oh no, it is not Краля, it is Князя Михайла. A lot of you can see beautiful doors, beautiful this decorative elements, maybe this window, a lot. Now, by the way, if you like my references and maybe you would like to draw from them, let me know in comments. Even this one, it is also new. We can see how these flower beds are decorated with tulips and the little, I suppose it's daisies. Let me know who is good at biology. Beautiful this lanterns, I suppose, yes. Even sculptures. I'm thinking about drawing line, but finally, you know that we have here this fortress, which I also like very much. I like to go for a walk there. But my final choice was a little bit different. This building, I like it very much, and it is on the street of Краля Petra, the King Peter. And I really like this shape of the dome. And in general, that it is situated on the crossroad. So when I pass by it, I always observe it. So this is my today's choice. And now it's time for sketching. So here we are, the first, maybe my own sketch, my own solution for this season. And I like the process very much, and I encourage you to try it. You will not regret because of it, and in future we will develop our skills day by day, and I think that to the end of this challenge we will be super professionals of urban sketching. And I would like to offer you my idea. I like it very, very much. I am thinking of adding here some funny character into my sketch. I would like to offer you this interactive, the game. I ask you to imagine what character could appear here. Maybe something magical, from the fantasy, from the, anything, completely anything. And I encourage you to turn on your imagination and write me in comments whom would you like to see on the street of Belgrade. In this, in reality it is Belgrade, but when I draw it, it becomes some new city, because I'm drawing not only from Belgrade references. So we can do the common project, my sketches and some of your suggestions. By the way, if you'd like, we can do the opposite also. If you are also drawing with me your own sketches and you would like to add them some strange characters and even invented by me, if you would like to insert my characters into your sketch, write in comments that you would like to have my suggestion for a character, and I will offer you the original idea specially for you, and you will read in comments and you can add some. So we will have this team work together. And now it's time to announce our topic for tomorrow. And as it is Sunday and everyone would like to have rest and relax, it will be super easy topic, very fast to draw. It is fire hydrant. So you can draw it very fast, but to apply to this project a tiny sketch, to make a tick in your list of things to do, not to skip your sketching adventure, your sketching way. So prepare your reference for tomorrow in advance. So tomorrow we will start from the drawing, from the, almost from the first minute. I wish you an amazing sketching practice, inspiration, and wonderful weekends, and super inspiring work which has this goal to find your own reference. And by the way, if you want to see the list of all upcoming topics for this show, let me know in comments and I will prepare it for you. And I also would like to announce you that tomorrow we are going to continue exploring the topic which we already started on my yesterday's live stream. The link I will put here. We were drawing hands in a sort of ugly way, and I had a huge speech why we need to draw sometimes we need to draw without any thoughts without any responsibilities, just do it like kids do it and enjoy the process. And on my tomorrow's live stream we will continue exploration of this topic and it will be a little bit different live stream. It will be silent sketching practice drawing together, so it will be 1 hour of drawing, and I found such a such a funny pictures in some Instagram account, Medieval Suffering. We have some inscriptions here, and I haven't managed to find this original. It is, I don't know, some prints or engravements, but I can use this suggestion. And if you'd like to draw something like that in a funny way, maybe it is even better that some part of the picture is covered by inscription, because we can guess what is going on these parts, and draw some our suggestions. So don't worry if the reference does not answer all your wishes. It should not stop you. You just, if you like the idea, we will use this, I don't know, felt tip or marker, or how does it called? In my language it is flamastery in Russian, but flamaster. I am going to use such material, but on iPad in Procreate, some brush which looks like this material. But if you like to draw in a traditional way, use paper and these markers. It's totally good. If you would like to use another materials, it is also not a problem. So we are going to draw crazy tigers. They are crazy from the beginning, but we will add this childish vibe. We will try to do it too. Our goal is not to think in advance how our audience will receive, like what reaction will we get. You should not do it. No, you should not think about it sometimes. It is better when you just do and show all the world that I have done it. So we will have this stream tomorrow, and I will put a link to the video reference into my Telegram channel. I also give you this link into the description for this video. So you will do everything, don't afraid. So drawing like a children without any fear. Thank you so much for coming to my new episode, and I'm waiting for you on our today's episode, where we are going to draw a fire hydrant. And have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye bye.